This hair fertilizer is one of the best that is out there, and I'll be showing you in this video exactly how it looks like. So as you can see, my hair is flourishing, and this is one of the products I usually use on my type 4 hair, and it has been flourishing. As you can see, my hair is looking all bouncy and luscious. The benefits of this product will be displayed on the screen, so do well to stay tuned and watch it. But one thing is, it reduces hair breakage, it reduces shedding. While shedding is normal, this can actually reduce shedding over time. And one thing you need to know for a fact is you will not see like an immediate result, but some people usually see between 4 to 8 weeks there's a difference. Most people use it to grow out their edges, their thinning hair, bald spots and the likes. So you can try to use this product so that you can see maximum results. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this pack and also in another container, but this is the one I have handy. So as you can see, it has anti-dandruff property, hair conditioning cream for rapid and healthy hair growth. It is enriched with coconut oil, and this is the new improved product. So this is the direction for use. Apply and massage virgin hair fertilizer into your hair and scalp. Comb and style as desired for a healthy, strong and natural looking hair. I omitted the everyday parts because it could be overwhelming for your scalp and you don't want any form of irritation on your scalp. So I would advise use it like 2 to 3 times in a week and you're good to go. Remember, too much of anything is not good. So this is just me unboxing it from the pack so that you can actually see how it looks like, and you can search for this particular one in your supermarket or your shopping malls or whatnot. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this tube form and it is a 125 gram worth of product. And yeah, this is how this one is currently looking. As you can see, I have used out of this particular product and it has been serving me well. So most people can actually swear by this product. They've been using it for years, right from when they were toddlers, right from when they were really little, and they said it did like a tremendous change on their hair, their scalp in general. And now, incorporating it in routines is actually like the best decision you can make. So this is how it looks like. It is a yellowish cream, and it can actually add shine to your hair because when you massage it in between your fingertips, you would notice it. And once you massage it to your fingertips, you can as well transfer that on your hair and massage for 2 to 5 minutes because the blood flow can actually stimulate healthy hair growth. So try it out today. Try to use it if your edges are crying for help, if you're having like bald spots, if you know that your hair is not bouncy enough and you want that volume, you can try to incorporate it in your routine. And if you know that you want to use like other hair growth oil to seal in the product, you can try out your rosemary oil, or you could just use olive oil to seal it in and you're good to go. I'll see you in my next. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on